Hi guys, this is Rutu and welcome back to my another video. Okay, so today's video is going to be very special because in today's video I'm going to describe that what I do from the morning to the night. Okay, like basically I'm going to describe my whole day so that you will also know that what I do in my day, and I will also able to describe my day that yeah, I'm learning English and I'll have to learn that if someone asks me that what you do every day, like what do you do, so I should able to at least answer them. So cause of that I'm making this video, and it will help you also so that you will also know that if I also want to describe my day, then how I will speak that in English. Okay, so it is going to be help you also. So you just need to do one thing, just watch, listen and repeat. Yes, you are watching, listening, and you'll have to repeat also. Okay, if you are just watching, then it is not going to help you. So you will have to listen carefully and just repeat after me. Whatever I'm just saying, I'm saying in English, right? So you are also learning English language right now. Okay, so you will also listen me and speak. Like whatever I'm speaking right now, you will speak that. I know that I'm making mistake, but yeah, I'm also a learning language, and making mistake, it is completely normal in the beginning. I'm not very fluent yet, but yeah, I'm improving, and yeah, I'm learning language, and I know that one day I will speak English fluently. And to achieve that kind of fluency, I'm making mistake right now, and I'm not going to do the same mistake again and again. I will learn from my mistake and I will go ahead, and one day I will speak English fluently. Okay, so first of all, stop worrying about your mistake. Okay, so just watch, listen and speak. Okay, so where I was, yeah, describe my day. Okay, so I wake up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, sometimes I wake up at 6 o'clock, and sometimes I wake up 6:30 o'clock also. Actually, it depends on me that if I wake up early, then I wake up at that time, and if I wake up 6:30, then yeah, that usually I wake up at 6:30 a.m. And after waking up, the one thing which I do is I drink a glass of water, and it is not a normal water, by the way, it is warm water, because la past 2 to 3 days my health is not well. Because of that, I'm just trying to have warm water in the morning. So I thought that drinking a warm water is a good option. So I'm drinking warm water these days. In these days, I'm drinking warm water in the morning. So I drink warm water, and after drinking that, I took a bath, and after taking bath, I help my mom in the kitchen. Like she makes food for us. Like she makes specially lunch and breakfast for us. So I try to help her that as much as I can. I try to help her. So if she's making the rotis, if she's rolling the rotis, then I try to help her that I'm chopping the vegetables, so that when she done her rotis, then she will able to do the food. Like she will able to make a veggie. If I chop that, then that will become easy for her. So I try to help her basically. And after that, it almost 7 or 7:10 a.m. Time almost it goes. So after doing that, I pack my bag. Like I go to college. Sometimes I go by train, and sometimes I go by bus. So it is depend on me. If sometime I do my all the work early, so I go by bus, and if someday I'm actually getting late, so that day I catch a train. So it will depend on me. So most of time I go by train because it's very fast. So I prefer to go by train, and yeah, I go almost 7:30 a.m. in the morning. I went to college. Like I leave home for going to college. So at 7:30 a.m. I just leave from home, and almost 8 to 8:20, almost 8 to 8:20 a.m. in the morning, I reach to college, and I attend my all the lectures. I attend with full of focus, and if I'm feeling that I'm feeling sleepy, so I try to take a tea on the way to college. So I had sometime tea also, so that I will not feel sleepy. Actually, I'm a very tea person. Okay, so I take some time tea, and after completing my college, I also back to home by bus and by train. It's on me that sometime I catch bus and sometime I catch train. So I come home, and after coming home I do one thing, and that is to make egg for my cat. Actually, I have cat. If you know me, if you are following me, then you will know that I have a pet. Like I have cat basically. So I boiled eggs for my cat. So when the boiled egg, I give to him so that he will eat. So after coming back to college, so after coming back from college to home, I boil egg for my cat. I give it, and he just eat. And after giving him his dinner, his lunch, so I again do all the household chores. I sweep the floor, I mop the floor, some dust are around, so I just try to dust off all the that. So I do some household chores again, and after doing all those things I freshen up and change clothes and have some lunch. I did my lunch at home. It's almost 12 or 12:30 p.m. I had my lunch, and almost 1 p.m. I have my job. So for that I went almost 12:45, and 12:45 I just leave from home for going to the job, and then 1 p.m. it is my job time. I do actually half day, so I went for my job, and 1 to 6 p.m. it is my job time. I do my all work at office, and after reaching home also I have to make dinner for my family, like me and my mom make food for my family. Like actually I help my mom. So after coming that, I try to help my mom in the kitchen, and if she is doing all the things, then yeah, I have free time. So in that free time I try to make videos for my YouTube. Okay, so I make videos after coming back from office. So I try to make that, yeah, I can make much and more videos for you all, for my YouTube channel especially. So I make videos that time. Most of the time I have time after coming back from office, so I create videos, I record videos for my YouTube channel. So I record videos. When I record video, then I just edit them. Like right now also I'm recording video, and after recording this video, I'm like cut to. I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel with timer, like schedule. So like this, whenever I record video, I just edit them. Yes. I'm not like that yeah, today I make video and tomorrow I'm going to edit this. No, I make video today and I'm going to edit this also on the same day. So yeah, like this I do. And after doing this, then I had my lunch almost sorry, I had my dinner almost 10 or 11 p.m. because yeah, most of time my lunch dinner sorry, my lunch is not dinner. Okay, sorry. Most of the time my dinner is too late. Sometimes it's for 10, 11, and sometimes it's 12 a.m. in so am also. So like my dinner time is not fixed because of work. So yeah, my dinner is not on time actually. My lunch is on time because of job. I just come from college and then I eat and then go for a job. So like it is fixed, but not dinner is fixed for I just came from work. So it is not for me to have a dinner on the right time. So it is not for me. So basically it is a fluctuating time for me to have dinner. And after having dinner, I just take my mobile and try to know more contents. Like I search that what should I make video on next, what should I make video the next for my YouTube channel, so that you will like to watch this. So I try to, like, I just try to find the content, like what should I make for my YouTube channel basically. So like that I search on mobile, and I just gather the content that yeah, this is what I'm going to make video, this is the topic on which I'm going to make video. So like this I searched, and I just gather all the things on a notes, and I just do that one by one. Like I found 5 contents for my YouTube. Then right now I'm recording one, and today I will record two. Like that, like one, two, three, as up. So like this, I record. So like this, I'm going to record my video. So this is what I do at night. Before sleep we just scroll phones. On that time I do this work. And some days I feel stressful also, that I'm giving so much efforts on YouTube and I'm not getting some response from it. I'm continuously posting videos on YouTube and I'm not seeing that it is not responding me, that my subscribers are not growing, my watch hours is not completing. So it's like some days I feel very stressful about it, that why I'm not growing and all. So yeah, I also feel demotivated at night, especially. I don't know why. At night, like all the negative things come in my mind, and I just got stuck there. What should I do? Why it is happening with me? Am I doing right or not? I just think about all these negative things at night, and because of that, also, I didn't even sleep well. I almost sleep between 5 to 6 hours in a day. Yeah, in 24 hour I just spend 5 or 6 hours on sleeping. So yeah, I have to struggle so much for doing all these things. And with all these stuff of your life, I'm doing YouTube also, and it is not easy. It is really not easy to be consistent on YouTube. I'm posting consistently video, like one short it goes on 11 a.m. in the morning, and my long video is post on 8 p.m. in the at the night. Like I post 2 videos in a day. It is really not a joke. It includes so much hard work. It includes so much efforts that you are putting on something. So yeah, it is really not easy. My journey is not easy. I'm still suffering a lot. I'm still suffering a lot. I get depressed so much sometimes, that I'm doing all these things and I'm not getting response something. So yeah, some days, some nights especially, I didn't sleep well because of these reasons. And I also just want to tell you that if you are also suffering with your life, that yeah, I'm doing this, then please don't think about it. I've struggled, I've already think about this too much, so you should not do this, okay? So yeah, this is my whole day, which like this I spend my entire day basically. I tell you that what I do from the morning to the night, like this is my daily routine which I follow. And I record everywhere video. Like if I have 5 to 10 minutes, also that time also I make videos for YouTube, because I just want to be consistent on YouTube. So for that I'm struggling so much. Okay, so like if I have 10, 20, 30 minutes, I try to make video. Like I don't just time pass. I really don't do time pass in my entire day. So yeah, this is how I spend my day, and I describe my all the day in English, so that my speaking skills will improve. Okay, so because of that intention I made this video, and yeah, I speak well. Okay, if I make any mistake, if I made any mistake, then please let me know in the comments, politely, especially. Okay, so if I made any mistake in my this English video, then please let me know in the comments. I will learn from my mistake and I will not do the same mistake again. Okay, so this was today's video, and let me know in the comments that what you would like to watch the next from me. Okay, so yeah, that is for today. See you in our next. Till then, bye.